I cannot believe I'm recording another devlog. This time it took me much longer because I have had a pretty good run coding and didn't want to stop it. As I feel a bit burned right now, I think it is a good time to report on how the Jigsaw project is coming along. So to start with, I have worked out how to add AdMob to my project. It took me some time to find reliable resources to work with, but finally I've got it working. Link to the GitHub is in the description. The next one was to program a feature for the bulb, so when you click it, the selected jigsaw piece is moved to its right position. Another feature that I added is an autosave. This one remembers the current position of the pieces on the game exit, so the next time you return to the game, you will see it exactly where you left it. Making this game, I also realized that there will be some people who would like to reset the whole screen just to be able to do the jigsaw puzzle again. Therefore, I added the reset button to the menu. Talking about menu, I have decided to add it just to not clutter the whole game experience and add some extra buttons like, for example, about the photo or author. I might add some other buttons here if I think they are necessary. The button about photo will take you to the web page where you can learn about the person who took the photo. This is me saying thank you to the author for giving it away for free. The button about author of the app is for those who are interested in the process of building this app, and maybe they will find some other of my projects interesting to them. As the jigsaw puzzle game is going to be completed soon, I hope, I am gearing up for a new project. For that one I will need to generate loads of pictures using artificial intelligence. The subject interests me very much, so I don't want to use any third-party services for that. I would like to do it all on my own. This is going to be great fun. So I have decided to hustle a bit and get myself a graphic card, the nvidia GeForce RTX 3060, as it is a recommended budget GFX card which apparently is going to do the job. I would hate to use our household money, so I decided to sell a few bits and pieces on eBay. The first one was my Canon EOS 30D camera, which to be honest I didn't use much. I wanted to sell it all together with the lens and all the bits and pieces I had for it, but no one wanted to buy it for a fair price, so I decided to sell everything separately. First item I sold was the camera body. I worked out by trial and error that the best way to sell it is to give a buy now price with the possibility to receive offers and to include packaging and postage in the price, meaning the seller pays for it, and it was a success. The camera body went for £30. Unfortunately eBay took £4 and the delivery of the parcel cost me £6, but hey ho, that was the first item I sold. Just good lesson. Coming back to my jigsaw puzzle game, next week I plan to work on icons as the graphics are of poor quality, and maybe I'll be able to make a congratulations screen once the jigsaw puzzle is completed. Then it will be the time to make another level. Thank you for watching. Bye.